Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X6 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. Let's start with the most important thing, which is the internet connection. I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi, but of course you can use mobile data also. Thanks to it, your device will actually have a chance to look for any kind of updates. So after making sure that you've got the internet connection, let's enter the settings. Unfortunately, in this device, we do not have to really go into other sections because we've got this about phone right here. And there we've got the first evidence that we actually can do something. So for example, download the update because we've got this toggle here. But let's tap on the about phone, and if you cannot find the update icon, no worries. All you have to do is to tap on this MIUI version. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, your device will check for any kind of updates. That's why we needed the internet connection. And basically, you can meet two different scenarios, two different results. Right now, you can see the first one when the update is available. So your device will show you the information about the update, what has been added, you can learn what's new, what has been fixed, etc, etc. And all you have to do is to tap on download update and your device will of course apply it. And the second scenario is when you're up to date and there's nothing to download. Of course you will receive a proper information about that, and you will be able to just go back to this section in a while and check for the updates again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.